Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a back tab button on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If I choose to double tap the back of my iPhone, this is going to turn on. If I choose to double tap the back of my iPhone, this will take you back to the home screen from any application. You can also set this to turn on flashlight or rotate screen. You can choose different options when you are setting up back tab button on your iPhone. So to add the back tab, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then scroll down, click on touch. Scroll down, locate and click on back tab. Then select either double tap or triple tap. Then select the function you want to run when you double tap the back of your iPhone. In this case, let's go ahead and set this to flashlight. Then if I double tap the back of my iPhone, this is going to turn on my flashlight. And then if I double tap again, it's going to turn off my flashlight. And you can also set this to front camera. Double tap, it's going to open your front camera. So you can use this to lock your screen. And that's it. So that is exactly how to add back tab button on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.